Hello guys, I'm Nishit back with the episode 3 of the series for Python beginners. Today we are going to talk about arithmetic operators in Python. So let's get started. The arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform math operations like addition and subtraction. There are 7 arithmetic operators which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation and floor division. Let us understand each of them one by one. Now let's talk about addition. We all know that addition is adding two or more numbers together. The syntax to add numbers in Python is this. We have taken x and y as variables here. Now let's make a program to add two numbers together. These two numbers are gonna be variables a and b. If you don't know what variables are, make sure to check out the episode 2 of this series. Let's start making this program. We can take a as 20 and b as 30. We have to print the sum of both numbers, so we can use the print function. Now we have to type a plus b inside the parenthesis of the print function like this. Now let's see what it prints. As you can see, it is printing 50 because we are printing a plus b, that is 20 plus 30, that is 50. So this program is working perfectly. Now if we want to subtract, multiply or divide the same numbers, we just have to replace the addition sign with the sign of the operation we want to perform. Now if we want to subtract the two numbers, we just have to replace the addition sign with the subtraction sign like this. Now let's see what it prints. As you can see, it is printing minus 10 because we are printing a minus b, that is 20 minus 30, that is minus 10. Now let's see what it prints when we multiply both the numbers. Now I'm gonna run this. As you can see, it is printing 600 because 20 multiplied by 30 is 600. Let's see what it prints when we divide both the numbers. I'm gonna run this. As you can see, it is printing 0.666 and so on because that's the answer to 20 divided by 30. Now let's talk about exponentiation. Its syntax is this, and we have again taken x and y as variables here. When we are saying 2 exponent 4, we are actually saying 2 to the power 4. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 16. Now let's make a program to get the exponent of two numbers. These two numbers again are gonna be variables a and b. Let's take a as 3 and b as 4. We have to use the print function. Now we have to type a exponent b inside the parenthesis of the print function like this. Now I'm gonna run this to show you what it prints. As you can see, it is printing 81 because a exponent b, that is 3 exponent 4, is equal to 81. So this program is working perfectly. Now let's talk about modulus. Its syntax is this, and we have again taken x and y as variables here. So basically, modulus is as same as division, but instead of returning the quotient, it returns the remainder. If we print 4 modulus 2, it will return 0 because when we divide 4 by 2, the quotient will be 2, but the remainder will be 0, so it will return 0. Now let's make a program to return the remainder when two numbers are divided. Let's take a as 3 and b as 2. We have to type a modulus b inside the parenthesis of the print function like this. Now let's see what it prints. As you can see, it is printing 1 because when we divide 3 by 2, the remainder will be 1. Now let's talk about floor division. Its syntax is this. Now let's take an example. When we divide 7 and 2, it will return 3.5. But when we floor divide 7 and 2, it will return just 3. That is because floor division returns the closest integer lower than the actual answer to x divided by y. Now let's make a program to floor divide two numbers. We can take a as 33 and b as 5. Now we have to type a floor divided by b inside the parenthesis of the print function like this. Now let's see what it prints. As you can see, it is printing 6. Now 33 divided by 5 is equal to 6.6 and the closest integer lower than 6.6 is equal to 6, so it is printing 6. So that's it for today guys. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and family. If you have a question related to this or any of my previous Python tutorials, then you can just ask me the question on my Discord server and I'll answer it. I'll leave a link to it in the description.